Now this is the basic structure of our HTML page which we had done in the previous session. So here the HTML tag, head tag, title tag with the title my first web page and the head. Now let's come to the body part. Now when you talk about the body, it consists of everything that is available on this web page. The whole white section or white region of this area is the body of the HTML page. Okay, so first thing that I will write on this is let's learn HTML. Okay, let's learn HTML. So this is what will be. I'll save it Control S and then I'll toggle with the Alt tab and then I'll refresh. Okay, now it's not opening, so I have to open it. The another way of opening an HTML file is just press Control O. When you press Control O, that will help you open the file. So my file is stored in the students folder first.html. I'll select that file and then I'll click on open. When I open it and then I'll refresh F5. So it's my first web page. It did not come. Okay. So the mistake that I was doing is that here I am editing the first.txt. So then now I will open first.html. All files. Now again I come to my body tag and I'll write here let's learn HTML. Okay, I'll save it, go here, refresh. Okay, now see it's come over here. Let's learn HTML. Okay, now let's give a background to the body. I'll show you. Let's give a background to the white section of our page, how it will appear. So the basic now this what we are going to write over here. For background we write BG color. BG color. BG stands for background, color is for the color of the background. And then we'll put a equal to sign and then we'll put double quotes. Okay, in double quotes we'll write the color that we want. So there are many different colors that you can use on this. Let's use the color blue. Okay, here BG color blue. Save it, Alt tab, refresh. Now this is come in a blue color. Now, but the white color text is not looking good on the blue color screen. So let's take a white color text. So for background color we have taken blue. So let's take the text color. Text equals white. Okay, save and we come on this page and refresh. Now if you see the color has changed to white color. Let's learn HTML is in white. Now let's learn different tags that are available in our HTML. The first tag that we will be learning is header tag, H1. So this is a header tag, H1. These tags are always closed tags. If you see, these are container tags. Container means they are containing something between the starting tag, that is the H1, and slash tag, that is slash H1. Okay, this is the closing tag, this is the starting tag, and these two tags are containing some content inside the between them. So this is the header tag. So when we refresh this, save, refresh, if we go here and refresh, we see we have got the header tag written on our page, which has a bigger font and it is bold and it is showing the tag. This is the header tag. Now when I am now the header tag will give you different headings. You can write different headings to your page. Now I want to put this let's learn HTML in my header tag. So I will just remove that header tag and I'll write here let's learn HTML. Okay, I'll go to my web page, F5. Here, let's learn HTML. Now how many header tags are there? You can have, see, Control V. 6 header tags. There are 6 header tags, means from 1 through 6. Okay. Okay, now let's learn HTML, HTML/HTML. Okay, now 1 through 6. This is 1, 2, then we'll have 3. Let's have 4, and then 4, 5, 5, and then let's have 6. And this is 6. Okay, these are the 6 header tags. Let's try one more. Control V. Let's have header tag number 9. Okay, now this is header tag number 9. Now I'll save my page. I'll go here and I'll refresh. Now what's happening is, see, this is header tag 1. Okay, fine. Let's also label them. For HTML, let's learn HTML H1. Okay, I'll just write here H1. And I'll write here H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and H9. Okay, save, go to the browser and refresh. Now this is the H1 tab, this is H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. But when I'm writing H9, if you see, I think it's approximately going to H5. Or, okay, H5. So it's not going to H5, it's taking the basic text format of the computer. Okay, so basically, if we observe the whole content of this page, the H1 tag is the header tag, which is having the largest font. H2 is a bit smaller, H3, H4, H5 goes becoming smaller as it goes on till H6. Okay, so maximum header tags that we have is H6. After this, everything is considered as text. Now, one more observation that I will try to show you is, look over here. I wrote H1 on this line, H2 in the same line, and H3 here on the same line. If you observe this, all these are written as they are. But still, if you see on our web browser, I'll get them side by side. If you see this on my web browser, H1 is coming here, but H2 is not being followed next to H1, and H3 is not being followed next to H2, where I have written H1, H2, H3 in single line, and H4, H5, H6 I have written on different lines. It does not matter whether you write the header tag in a single line or different lines, it will still appear on different lines. They acquire the whole area. If I will just inspect this page, which is a way to know whether your code is, how is your code performing. Okay, there is one inspect option on your HTML. Okay, now if I click on H1, it will select this H1. See, this is H1. So this is, if you see, this is getting